It's finally time for another renovation video. Hello everyone, it is finally time for another renovation video. Wow, my glasses are dirty. I noticed we are still at November 2024 in the renovation series. So I'm going to do my best to catch up to August 2026 where we are now. This one is one where they finally fix the roof that was an issue for over a year. We heard that the builders are finally coming to finish things tomorrow. So now we have to remove the solar panels from this roof because they have to reopen the roof. They're also going to put the last finishing touches on the inside. And we are finally getting a gutter here. So we're doing preparations. But actually I'm feeling really dizzy. I have a new thing, which is called positional dizziness or vertigo. Should go away within a few weeks. And yes, I did try the maneuvers. Didn't help me much. But my boyfriend is now climbing up on the roof and I'm just here in my pajamas. Okay. Close to violet on a Sunday. Geert asked me to saw a few of the wooden planks that we used to put the solar panels on as they were on our neighbor's roof, and we wanted to make sure that was protected. Good morning! My boyfriend is making lots of coffee because the builders are coming. Well, not all the builders. The one who's gonna do the roof, the roofer, dakdekker in Dutch, is gonna fix the insulation issue and also finally get us a gutter over here. Because it's usually a rain, what is it called? A waterfall in your neck when you walk outside. And then the wood guy who's gonna fix some bits and bobs around. And then it's finally gonna be done. More than a year since starting this process. Oh, the ordinary Monday turning back to blue. Long for what's to come. Keep forgetting how to make it known. So thanks to me making these videos, we actually knew where the issue was, where they forgot to put insulation over top of the water pipes because they were a little bit higher. So they just didn't cover it and it froze our pipes the first winter. So now they are fixing that issue. Here is our new gutter that he installed. We're very happy with it. And then the roofer went up on the roof to insulate triple extra all our pipes. So you can see him here putting some extra plastic around the pipes as well as more of that fluffy stuff that you see around it. Then the builder closed the wooden part of the roof and the roofer closed the, I don't know what it's called, the top layer again. Whoa, they've closed it again and insulated. They just have to burn it now. And that has to wait because it's raining a little bit. I love seeing this part with the big fire torchy thing and then him melting it all together so that it is waterproof. We are also so relieved that this is finally done because it was right before winter came again and we didn't want frozen pipes again. Look at that fire thing he just casually has next to himself. It can go a lot harder than this as well. This is just the basic setting. It's very cool to see. He's measuring the final top layer to fit on top of the whole patch. And then he rolls it up very tightly and uses the high setting to melt it all together. I thought the sped up version of this looked very satisfying, just him unrolling the little roll, melting it into our roof on all sides. He did the final touches on all the edges and then it was perfect. Right in time for some rain. The builders also had to do some other finishing touches. This piece of wood is supposed to go inside the edge of the bathroom building, basically, that had been open for a year. And at the front of the house, we only had these scary looking pole thingies because they had not installed the wall anchors yet, like our neighbors have. We got the same exact ones, so that's pretty cool. They were quite expensive, these fancier decorative ones, but these anchors keep the new wall from basically falling away from the inside of the house. And this is the final look. What do you think? Do you like it? And that's it for this one. It's a pretty short one because after this there was quite a big jump in time to where we do something in the garden like a month later maybe, and then in a new year. So I'm leaving it here. I hope you still enjoyed it. I was so relieved that the roof was finally fixed, because being worried that your pipes are gonna freeze, even though it's a brand new bathroom, was very frustrating. So I'm very glad they were finally able to fix it. What a process. And that they didn't have to come to our house anymore. That the builder part basically was done now. So now the rest of the projects that we're doing that I'm going to show you are things that we did ourselves. And they were still pretty big projects, like this whole cabinet behind me. But yeah, I think it's mostly us. Oh, the outside, we're painting all the outside and everything. It's really fun. So I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you so much for being here. Give a like, subscribe if you haven't already. You can click the bell to get notified. And there's a new thing. It's called a hype button. If you go down on your phone only, it doesn't work on a computer or during a live premiere. But once the video is up on your phone, go to the comments and then you swipe and then you should see hype and you can click hype. And then that helps the channel. So whether it's me or another creator that you love, hype them up. It really helps. Thank you for being here, and we will see you in the next one. Bye!